National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Amherst County, central Bedford County, east central Botetourt County, south central Rockbridge County, until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. At 6:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 3 to 5 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lynchburg, Bedford, Glasgow, Big Island, Forest, Montvale, Sedalia. This includes the following streams and drainages: Bold Branch, Back Creek, Big Otter River and Back Run.